Hello everyone, welcome back to another recipe. Today I am making the most juicy lemon pepper baked chicken. Absolutely delicious, takes no time to prep. Before I begin, if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, like this video if it was helpful, and let's dive in. To begin, I have my chicken nice and ready to go, nice and clean. As you can see, I have some room temperature butter. Also, I'm going to add a little bit of onion, carrots, and garlic. You can add potatoes to this as well if you like. I have some fresh herbs, parsley and rosemary, some lemon slices, of course. And for my seasoning, I'm using lemon pepper. This is a lemon pepper chicken, of course. Adobo seasoning, parsley, some thyme, and paprika. So you don't need a lot of ingredients. This is quick and easy. First thing first, I am going to pat dry my chicken. Flip it over. As you can see, it's wet because I just cleaned this. There's a lot of water on it. Once you are done, you're going to grab your butter. This is 1 stick of butter. I am going to add in my seasoning. Mix it all together. I have not done this method in so long. I'm so excited to see the result. I usually do it with oil, but the butter hits different. I'm gonna try it out and see, the result. This is what your butter is supposed to look like once it is nice and done. So I am going to add the butter on the back of the chicken. And you can also do this for turkey as well. I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to insert a little bit of that butter in here. Push it down to the breast, of course. On the other side as well. Push it down. Move it to the breast all the way. And now we're going to take that butter and spread it all over our chicken. This recipe can be done in the air fryer, grill, smoker, pretty much anything. I'm going to bake mine, obviously. That butter smells so amazingly delicious already. Spread it all over the chicken. The chicken is nice and seasoned. I am going to add my veggies to my cast iron, just like this. I'm going to add a little bit of seasoning in there, very lightly, nothing too serious because the veggies are going to soak all the juice from the chicken. So now I am going to add in some thyme and some parsley and some rosemary. All this flavor is going to infuse in our chicken. And now I'm going to place the chicken right in, just like this. Perfect. And if you have any more butter, just cover that chicken with the butter. I'm adding some of that lemon slices on here and just add the other pieces at the bottom. Oh, this is going to be so delicious. So we're going to bake this now. We're going to pop this in the oven on 350. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. The chicken is ready, you guys, and it looks so good. Golden brown, smelling absolutely delicious. Look at that butter. Oh my goodness. This is really, really juicy. Hold on. Y'all see the juice? Y'all see this juice inside this chicken? Oh, Lord. It smells absolutely delish. Perfectly cooked. Oh my God, you guys, take a look at the breast. Y'all see the color, how beautiful it is? And this breast is so juicy. It's so saucy, perfectly cooked. This is the best juicy chicken ever. Let me tell you, if you never tried my baked chicken recipe, may this one be your first, okay? It is absolutely delicious, extremely moist, okay? So cheers, let's give it a try. This is so good. And the best way to eat this, dab it on the lemon. So yummy. Wow. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. If this video was helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up for me. Subscribe if you're new to my channel. Leave a comment down below. What do you think about this recipe? And I will see you guys on the next delicious recipe. Bye, guys.